Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Hazika binti Omar and my metric number is A177502. Today I would like to give my opinion based on reaction video for two of my group members that I have choose. The title is Should Education Be Free? Yes or No? Based on the video from Farahin and Nadira, they mentioned that education be free can help decrease crippling student debts because the students will make loans while studying. I'm not agree with what they said. As I already mentioned in my reaction video 1, if education be free, students will still have large debts. It's proof to me that within in my life today, a lot of money are needed for living costs because they are really high nowadays. For example, I need to spend money to buy the books, my basic needs, stationeries, and also for the food. I also spend a lot of money for the transport. However, I still need to pay for the room and hostel to stay. It is proof that if education was free, I will still have a large debts to survive in university. Then Farahin and Nadira also mentioned that the economy and society has benefited from the tuition-free college in the past. I'm not agree to because some of them will not attend to the class and taking it easy and not serious in taking their degree and study. That is because they never care about the education because they did not spend money at all and easy to continue their study because it is free. So for me, people will be more appreciated for something that is hard for them to get. Farahin and Nadira also mentioned that everyone deserves for all the opportunities to get an education in college. Yes, of course, everyone deserves for all the opportunities to get an education, but that does not mean that they should get it for free. It is because our country have already provided a lot of facilities for studying. For example, PTN loans, scholarships, appropriate assistance to students, especially for students coming from difficult families such as zakat. So, with the facilities provided by our country, all of the people can continue their study even though they come from difficult family. If education be free, I'm sure that it will affect our country's economy and there are a lot of risks such as our country will not advance like other countries and easily bankrupt. It is because a country does not only help students but also need to take good care of the people and the community. In my way of thinking, I really agree that education should not be free and must be paid to invest for the country's better future. As a conclude, the only key to be successful is to study hard, study smart, and also appreciate all the facilities provided and use it in the good way. This is because if I didn't stand up, then who will? No one's gonna help me if I'm going to do this. So I have to do it on my own. There's no free things in this world. So I'm not agree with Farahin and Nadira said education should be free. Because within the pandemic COVID-19, our country are really affected because they need to help and take good care of the people and community. So just keep in our mind, everything that we want, we need to buy and give a lot of effort to achieve because there is nothing free and easy to get it in this world. In these days technologies, even to enter the public toilet we need to pay. Nevertheless, for the valuable education and learning in gaining knowledge for self. So that's all from me. Thank you and stay safe everyone. Assalamualaikum and bye.